The most rewarding thing about being an elder law attorney is really to be of service, to be of help to other people. Most of my clients come to my office devastated by a diagnosis, an illness, or overwhelmed with the troubles of being a caregiver and are desperate for answers, a feeling, whether from their family attorney or from someone else, that no one can help them. And it is so gratifying to be able, at the end of that initial consultation, to say, I can help you with this, I can give you a way out of your situation, and I like to say I get paid in hugs as much as I do in money, so that's very gratifying to me. The daughter came to me just really overwhelmed with dealing with her parents. Her mother had really been the caregiver for the family, and she was diagnosed with Alzheimer's and was failing. She also had a brother who had some troubles, and so she had a hard time figuring out where she was going to go. And I remember so poignantly meeting with her and her parents at the point we were signing new estate planning documents. And throughout the consultation, she held her mom's hand. And she was touching her mom's hand and petting her mother's hand the whole way through. And at the end, we had put together not only an estate plan, but a plan to care for her father, who would remain at home, as well as to take care of her disabled brother and to take care of her mom. And she said to me at the end, she said, you know, my mom's hands are so soft, and she took such good care of us. I'm so glad that you'll take care of her. And see, it sticks with me today. So it was a wonderful thing to be able to meet their needs and I ended up being a part of that family through not only her mother's death, but her father's death, as well as caring then for her disabled brother. So that's a story that has touched me especially. The biggest fear from a family I see is a real sense of a lack of control. Something has happened. Mom has Alzheimer's, Daddy's had a stroke, my brother has a mental illness, and how are we going to respond? In almost every case, I can reassure the family to let them know there are things that you can do to regain control. The fear is a loss of control not only of finances, although certainly finances are a big part of paying for long-term care, and we don't want to minimize that, but a loss of control of your mind, of your body, of your dignity. And with proper planning, there is almost always something we can do to not only protect the family financially, but also to ensure quality of care for that loved one and preserve their dignity over the long haul.